Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be reviewing the stylish Avenger men's solid hooded neck t-shirt in the gorgeous green shade. It's made from pure cotton and promises both comfort and style. Let's break down its features, quality, and whether it's worth your money. First up, let's talk about the design. The t-shirt features a modern hooded neck with drawstrings that add an urban vibe. The colors is a fresh and trendy shade of green, complemented by black accents and small red detail on sleeve, giving it a bold and edgy look. What really stands out is the dual layer design with the wide sleeve extensions making it appear like a layered outfit without any extra effort. It's made from pure cotton, which means it's breathable and soft on the skin, perfect for year-round wear, especially in moderate weather. The fabric feels durable and has a smooth texture that doesn't look cheap. It's lightweight and ideal for casual outings or logging. However, it might not be thick enough for cold winters unless layered with a jacket. This hooded t-shirt comes in a regular fit, so it's not too tight or too baggy. It caters well to most types. Pair it with jeans for casual day out or joggers for a sporty look. It's available in multiple colors: pink, black, yellow, green, so you can pick the one that best suits your style. Personally, I think this green shade stands out as fresh, cool option. Now let's talk price. This Avenger t-shirt is completely priced, making it a budget-friendly addition to your wardrobe given its trendy design and quality fabric. It's a great deal for casual wear. However, I recommend checking the stitching and print quality upon delivery, as sometimes products at this price point might have slight inconsistencies. Overall, it's a stylish and practical choice for those on a budget. To sum it up, the Avenger men's solid hooded neck t-shirt is fashionable and versatile piece that's the perfect for casual outings, hangouts, or even college wear. Its lightweight, breathable material makes it comfy for all day use. And this price point, it's definitely a steal. If you're into trendy yet affordable fashion, this one's worth checking out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next video.